welcome back to BUONAPAPPA. Today we're going to bake together a strawberry and ricotta cake. It's a lovely idea for a birthday celebration or simply to enjoy strawberries that right now they are at the peak of the season and they are insanely sweet. And it's a nice first birthday idea cake that can be enjoyed by your little one and also by all the other family members. Let's start together. It's a very simple cake. First thing to do, as always, preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with the sugar for more or less 1 minute in order to get a pale yellow color. At this point, add the ricotta cheese and the coconut oil. Whisk well. In a separate bowl, add the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt to the flour. Mix and then combine slowly the dry ingredients into the wet ones. Also add the orange zest in order to have a super delicate citrus background flavor at the end. And also add the strawberries. I cut the strawberries in small cubes. You will obtain a kind of dense batter. Transfer the batter into a cake pan. In order to make this recipe, I used mini cake pans so that I could give a kind of a single portion to each guest. But you can use a regular size cake pan, it's totally fine. Shake the cake pan in order to level the batter and then bake the cake or the mini cakes in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. As always, the toothpick rule works for this cake too. If inserting a toothpick in the center of the cake, it comes out dry, so no sticky pieces attached to the toothpick, it means that the cake is ready. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool down completely for a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then it's totally up to you. I really like the cake as easy as it is, and in order to give a kind of extra color on top, I simply blended some coconut flakes in order to create a kind of not too sugary powder to sprinkle on top of my cake. Or you can simply use the coconut flakes like that. You can also decorate the cake with fresh strawberries. It's totally up to you. And then have fun with the celebration. This is a lovely party idea, breakfast idea, picnic idea, and it's super yummy. The ricotta cheese really makes the difference because it gives extra moist to the cake. If you do not have strawberries, you can use any other kind of berries that are in season. Simply check the natural sweetness of the berries. Just try one. If they're nicely and intensely sweet, it means that they can be used for the recipe. As you see from the recipe, I didn't use a lot of added sugar because I balanced the minimum quantity of added sugar with the natural sugars from the fruit. That's why it's very important that you pick up seasonal and naturally sweet fruit for this recipe. Peaches are a lovely idea too. This cake can be stored on the countertop for up to 3 days, but I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it way before. If you're looking for similar recipes, first birthday cakes ideas, I have a playlist and you should check the link here below. And we're going to see each other next week with a new recipe from BUONAPAPPA. Ciao, ciao, ciao!